Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? A company called Icookpot sent this over, and it is an electric tea kettle. This is the box that it came in, and then once you open it up, obviously you're going to get a user manual, and then you're going to get the tea kettle itself. So this is what it looks like. It is a very nice, modern-looking tea kettle. I love the aesthetics of it. So let's go over all the details. So first off, you have the pot itself. This thing can hold 1.5 liters of water. It has a nice, easy handle, nice, easy to pour. It does have the mark so you can see how much water is in here. And then the lid here is removable with a removable diffuser. So this is nice. You can add fruits or cucumbers or anything if you want that flavoring in your water. Or you can also fill this up with tea leaves if you want to go ahead and start brewing the tea directly in the unit itself. Now, another cool thing is on the bottom there, that is the heating plate. It is made out of titanium. So one of the nice things about titanium is it heats up, it conducts very, very well, and it's also resistant to corrosion, so you don't get that, like, less likely to get that white stuff at the bottom. Super, super easy to clean. Everything's made out of glass, and then of course that titanium bottom, so you don't have any like plastics or anything that's going to be leaching any of those chemicals, which is really, really nice. It is hand wash. It is not dishwasher safe, but it's super easy with the wide opening here to wash it with just a standard brush or scrub or whatever you use to clean your pots and pans. Very, very easy to utilize, like it a lot. And then the handle or the lid goes on, and there's little arrows to show you which way it goes. Now, as far as the base unit, it has the little feet that keeps it from sliding around or anything like that. Plugs into just a standard outlet. And then one of the nice things, it has this kind of nice like glass top, which just looks nice. And then it has 6 preset settings, which is another easy feature. Just simply tap and go. So the first setting is 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's kind of made for like baby formula. So it's very useful. Then you have 175 degrees, that is designed for green tea. Then you have 185 degrees, which is designed for white tea. Then you have 195, which is oolong tea. Then you have 205, which is going to be the temperature for coffee. So if you're doing a French press or something, you can heat up the water and then transfer over to that. Then you have the boiling or black tea temperature at 212 degrees. Just simply hit the start button to get it going. Heats up, like I said, very, very fast, or hit the cancel button to stop it. And then it also has a keep warm feature, which is another nice feature. So if you're having tea for a long time or whatnot, you can hit that button and it will keep the water nice and warm for up to an hour, then it will automatically turn off for you. So it's another nice feature. Now, when you hit these, it does make a little beep sound. If you ever want to turn that off, just hold down the keep warm button for about 3 seconds and it'll turn off that feature, which is a really nice option as well. But overall, like I said, I really like the aesthetics of it. It looks really, really nice with the glass top and this kind of soft gray color here. And yeah, it's very, very easy to utilize. So if you are in the market for a nice electric teapot, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.